In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Amazon product link with ease. Whether you want to recommend a product to a friend or share it across your social media platforms, this guide will help you do just that in a few simple steps. To begin, head over to Amazon.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the site, ensure that you're logged into your Amazon account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Logging in is necessary because it allows you to access a personalized Amazon experience, including your order history and recommendations. Having your account logged in also ensures smooth navigation throughout the platform. Next, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the Amazon homepage. Click on this bar where you can type the name of the item you're interested in sharing. Make sure you're as specific as possible to get the best results. Press Enter, or click on the magnifying glass icon to search for the product. Browsing through a myriad of similar products can be overwhelming, but using precise keywords will help you find the exact product you're looking for. When you see the item you want to share, click on it to visit its dedicated page. This is your opportunity to double-check that it's the exact product you wish to recommend. Take note of the reviews, pricing, or any specific details that stand out. This can be particularly helpful if you decide to include personal recommendations alongside the link. Once you are on the product page, look for the share icon. This is typically located near the product title or in the upper section of the page, represented by a small arrow or series of dots. Clicking on this icon will provide you with various options on how you can share the product link. From here, you can choose from different sharing methods such as email, messages, or through social media platforms. For now, let's focus on copying the link directly, which is often the most straightforward method. After you've clicked on the share icon, locate the copy link option from the list. Clicking on this will automatically save the product link to your clipboard. You're now ready to share this link wherever you need. With the link copied, you can paste it into a message, email, or any social media platform, allowing you to spread the word about the product effortlessly. Keep in mind the benefits of sharing. You're not just recommending a product, but also helping others make informed purchasing decisions based on your insights. And there you have it. Sharing a product link from Amazon is quick, easy, and efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial proves helpful the next time you find a must-have product on Amazon. Happy sharing!